parts of the country. Speaking to Red Dawn for school uniforms to be abandoned, President of the National Association of Principals is Alan Mungy. He says Washington.
Okay, so those boards are all glued up now, guys, and the next step is what we're going to do is we need to cut those panels down so there's a 5-degree taper in each board so that the finished box will look like that, not this real square box. Okay, now that we've cut all the bevels on the edges of this, of these wood, but it's time to clamp these up now, so I'm enlisting the help of my little helper here. This is Tristan, and this is Ethan. Say hello, guys. Okay, so I need Tristan's help just to help me hold these in place, and we're going to glue these together. We're going to leave them overnight, and then tomorrow we're going to put some dowels in them just to reinforce, so we're going to crack on now. Should we do some gluing? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, jump down.
Yeah.
There's the boy. I'm going to make some little feet for the corners. I think I'm just going to do a little half moon shape out the bottom and use the drill press for that. Okay, so that's our base done. Drilled all the holes. I'm just going to drop it down inside the planter now. And to do that, I'm just going to use a couple of screws like this. Push them through those holes. You can pinch that and then lift the whole thing in as one. Get it down somewhere near level. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfectly level. You're not going to see it, and it's going to be filled with soil. And then just lift it up. Get those screws out. Push it down into place. Now I'm going to reinforce these sides for this joint here, which isn't very strong, with some dowels. What I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to drill a series of pilot holes where I've marked, and then I'm going to drill it with the proper size hole, and this pilot hole will just stop that drill bit from wandering. those holes there now. Okay, so that's all the dowels done, so that's that reinforced now. That will be nice and steady forever. So the last thing to do now is to finish this. Now I asked the boss if she wanted it painted, which was originally going to give it a garden green colour, but she's asked me to keep it natural. So onto the varnish. So I'm using this Translac exterior varnish. I've used this before. It makes everything go a little bit orange, so you get like a warm glow to it.